Go, do it. Climb in the bed of the truck.
Shut up.
Do it. Come on, you got this.
Because he doesn't have the thing on the back of it. It's easier to get up on that.
It's actually really easy.
Yeah, well.
I can do it with one hand.
Yeah, well, you're not fat, okay? Plus, I have socks on and it's slippery.
Come on, you can do this.
Turn the camera that way.
All right.
I hate you so much. Ah! Boom. Probably can't get up still. Turn the camera that way.
No.
You're a fag.
Come on, you can do this.
No, I can't. Now when the camera's facing.
Just say, I think I can. I think I can.
I think I can. I'm a little engine that couldn't.
What happens if I put a pretzel right here?
Oh my god, you're so mean. Eat the pretzel.
Here's motivation.
You're an ass. Dude, what are you doing? No, Kyle. I will be judged.
No, you won't.
It's like, what? People on the internet are mean.
Guys, do not judge her, okay?
I'm fat. Can we all agree on that? Ah! I'm up.
They see me rolling. Oh, you just hit me in the dick.
That was the point. What?
Ow.
Oh, jeez.
I think the kid's having more.
Okay, grab.